Hello children, today we shall study chapter number 6 of history, which is about the revolt of 1857. Dear children, this is the first module of the chapter, and in this module we shall study over the causes of this revolt, the main centers of the revolt, and the important leaders of the revolt of 1857. Dear children, in the previous chapters we studied about the expansion of the British territories in India and their policies, how they affected all sections of Indian people, including the Rajas, the Nawab, the landlord, the sepoys, and the peasants. Dear children, by the mid 19th century, the British had firmly established their political control over India. The resentment among the people had found expression in a number of protests, outbursts, and the mutinies. This war, the revolt of 1857, it began as a sepoy mutiny, but gradually took all sections of people in its fold. It was also referred as the first war of Indian independence, the Great Revolt of 1857. Here we have some causes of the revolt, and they are political, economic, military, social, and administrative causes. So first we will have a look over the political causes. Lord Dalhousie's policy of annexation and the doctrine of lapse had made the Indian rulers angry and insecure. The Rani of Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, she was not allowed to adopt a son. Moreover, the subsidiary alliance. This system, it was introduced in the states of Satara, Jaipur, Bhagat, Udaipur, and these were annexed. And the policy, it was introduced by Lord Wellesley. Administrative causes. So all the high posts and the handsome salaries, they were given to the British. And the Indian sepoys, they were deprived of high salaries and promotions. The highest post for the Indian, that was of the Subedar only. Military causes. There was an immense discrimination between the British and Indians. There were new rules introduced like crossing of the sea by the British, which hurt the religious sentiments of the sepoys. Economic causes. The British had drained India's wealth and natural resources by selfish economic policies. Farmers, they were forced to grow cash crops. The handloom industry had been destroyed, and the weavers, they lost their jobs. So British administrative laws ruined both the peasants and the landlords. Indian handicraft collapsed. It was collapsed. India became a marketplace for finished goods from England, which increased poverty and discontent among the people. Social causes. The practice of sati, it was abolished, and the widow remarriage, it was encouraged. Child marriage, that was not allowed. So this interference, it was not accepted by the Indians, which was made by the British. There was a major cause of the outbreak of the revolt, and that was the fear among the people that the British government was determined to destroy their religion, and they convert the Indians to the Christianity. So this interference in the religious customs and the traditions of various religious communities was not accepted by the Indians. The abolition of sati, female infanticide, and the legislation of widow remarriage, that was also like one of the reasons of this revolt. Immediate call. A rumor had spread that the new cartridge to be loaded in the Enfield rifle was greased with the fats of cows and pigs. In order to load the rifle, a sepoy had to bite off the paper with his mouth. The sepoy, they refused to use the new rifles and decided to revolt. On 9th May 1857, some sepoys in Meerut they revolted against the British officers and they refused to reload this cartridge, the rifle. Mangal Pandey, the important leader of this revolt. On March 29, 1857, on the parade ground at Barakpur, a sepoy named Mangal Pandey fired the first shot of the uprising. He was hanged to death. Next, the sepoys marched to Delhi and declared Bahadur Shah Zafar, the last Mughal ruler, as the Emperor of India. They gathered round the Red Fort. Then they declared the Bahadur Shah Zafar as the leader. These are some of the important centers of the revolt, and they are Meerut, Delhi, Awadh, Kanpur, Jhansi, and Gwalior. So many common people they also joined the revolt. Here we have the picture of some important leaders of this revolt, and they are Rani Lakshmi Bai, Tantia Tope, and Nana Sahib, who joined the fight. Another picture of the leaders of this revolt of 1857: Bahadur Shah Zafar, Mangal Pandey, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Kuwar Singh, Tantia Tope, and these were some very important leaders of this revolt. So this was all about this module. Have a nice day.